Close your eyes, imagine coming home to perfectly clean floors every single day, no dust, no pet hair, no crumbs, just perfection. That's what they promised, but hey, erase the dirty secret. The billion-dollar vacuum industry doesn't want you to know. 92% of robot vacuums are complete failures. They get stuck, they miss spots, they die after 6 months. I spent $18,327 testing every single model, and what I found will save you thousands because there are only 4 that actually deliver, 4 that work so well it feels like cheating. But one of them has a dangerous secret feature. One might be illegal in your state, and one, well, let's just say it made my security cameras go dark for 3 hours. Ready to see which ones are worth your money and which ones might be spying on you right now? Starting at number 1. Roomba Max 705. The Roomba Max 705 aced our cleaning and navigation tests, earning it the designation of Best Robot Vacuum overall. This device was simple to program thanks to iRobot's accompanying app. It also integrates with smart home systems so you can use voice commands to tell it where to clean. We were particularly impressed by the Roomba Max 705's cleaning and mapping prowess while testing. The app was intuitive to use, and it successfully recognized and labeled individual rooms. We observed the vacuum's automatic dirt detection at work, seeking out messes to clean them up. The double pass setting helped the vacuum excel at our debris tests. It seamlessly sucked up Cheerios, coffee grounds, and hair. A few other features make this robot vacuum stand out. It was the quietest we tested, which is a bonus for an appliance that you want to run in the background for routine maintenance. There are some thoughtful design touches, too, that make it easier to maintain the robot vacuum over time. Yes, you do need to clean your vacuum cleaner. The base includes a storage slot for an extra bag, as well as a tool to clean the brush roll of hair. There weren't any noticeable downsides for this robot vacuum, though if you are okay with fewer features, don't have pets, and are looking to spend less, you can opt for our value pick. We will continue to test this vacuum over time and update this story with any new findings. Number 2. Roomba 105. For a value robot vacuum, the Roomba 105 did a good job cleaning debris, and it comes with helpful features like self-emptying and auto-docking. During testing, we noticed that this vacuum particularly got into the edges and corners of rooms. It's great for cleaning baseboards. It didn't get every last crumb or speck of dirt, but we think it will still work well for general upkeep. That said, if you need a more powerful robot to suck up hair and bigger messes, for example, if you have pets, we recommend upgrading. The 105 doesn't fit under all furniture, due to its sensor, so keep this in mind if you have a low couch or chairs. It also didn't do quite as well as more advanced models at avoiding obstacles, tripping up on a throw rug in its path. For a basic robot vacuum, however, it's easy to program, has key features like app integration for scheduling and auto-emptying to reduce maintenance, and does a solid job vacuuming. Number 3. Eufy C10 Robot Vacuum. We especially appreciated the Eufy C10 Robot Vacuum's low profile. It's a great option for people who want a robot vacuum that takes up a little less space, as some models can be quite bulky. The C10 did well in our cleaning tests, too. It was simple to set up the vacuum, and the app worked quickly to label rooms. The C10's extendable brush arm helped it sweep into corners and clean baseboards, making it stand out in testing. This vacuum also has a lower profile, at 2.85 inches tall, so it can easily scoot under furniture. We were pleased that it was able to vacuum a small throw rug without pushing it all over the room. 2. This vacuum has a slightly smaller dustbin capacity than the Roomba 705 Max and 105 models, holding up to 60 days of debris. We did find we needed to do some maintenance after cleaning to clean the brush roll, too, but it was minimal. This vacuum also has voice control for Amazon Alexa or Google Home, meaning that you have to add your Eufy device to those smart home assistants to use this feature. We had mixed success using voice commands in our tests. Number 4. Shark AV2501 SAI Ultra Robot Vacuum. The standout features of the Shark AV2501 SAI Ultra Robot Vacuum are its HEPA filter and its bagless design, which makes it easier to empty compared to other robot vacuums we tested. While we also tested the similar Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum, the HEPA filter on this model helped it earn a winning spot, this robot vacuum is straightforward to use and pairs with smart home assistants like Google Home and Amazon Alexa to work with voice control. While we noticed some issues with mapping during testing, and with sharing cleaning information in the accompanying app, it still cleaned well. The Grid Matrix Clean feature, which cleans in a grid formation instead of working in rows, and is available for both entire rooms and spot cleanings, stood out as being particularly effective. It performed best at sweeping up large particles like Cheerios cereal, less so at sucking up finer debris like coffee grounds. It wasn't as skilled as getting into corners or baseboards, and the device was relatively louder than other robots we tested. The main advantage to this vacuum is that it's bagless, a bonus if you don't want to buy replacement bags, and that it offers more advanced HEPA filtration. Note that you will have to clean out the filter, and the brand recommends cleaning every 2 months. If your floors aren't as clean as mine right now, you're working too hard. Every single vacuum that survived my brutal testing, including the controversial that retailers hate, all links are waiting in the description. But listen carefully, the vacuum already has a 3-month waiting list, and let's just say it's been disappearing from online stores minutes after restocks. Smash that like button if you're tired of overhyped gadgets that underdeliver. Share this with someone still pushing an old-fashioned vacuum. And subscribe, because next week I'm exposing the dark side of smart fridges and you won't believe what I found. Your floors will never be the same again.